what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how you can avoid your body skin from getting tanned even during the summertime. So if you live in India, especially in a city like Mumbai or maybe Delhi, you know how hot it is here, right? So it's very hot, and even if you want to step out in the sun, you will think twice before doing that because you're always worried that your skin might get tanned, your body might get tanned, unless that is something that you actually want. So if you want to avoid skin tanning and still enjoy the summers, still go out and about in the summers, then I have the perfect solution for you. And this solution involves some home remedies, some natural ingredients, and some scientific ingredients as well. So the first step is to remove the current body tanning that you already have on your body skin. And for this, all you need to do is take some dahi, that is curd, and make sure that it is a little bit of khatta. It has to be a little bit of sour curd, and you want to do this in the shower. So before you have a bath, before you use a body wash and everything, take a little bit of the curd and massage it all over your body skin, and really massage it in for about 5 to 10 minutes, and do this on all of the parts of your body where you have the sun tanning going on. And you want to do this every day for like a month straight to see noticeable visible difference, and it's going to remove all of your body tanning within a month itself. So after you're done with massaging the curd all over your body, you want to use a body wash to wash your skin and to remove all of the greasiness or the stickiness of the curd. Now while selecting a body wash, you either want to go for something that has anti-tanning benefits or something that can add up to the glow on your skin, something that can reverse the sun damage. So what's a better ingredient than vitamin C to reverse sun damage? So I have this Mama Earth vitamin C body wash with me. This contains vitamin C and honey. So vitamin C, as we all know, has so many antioxidants. It helps in producing collagen in your skin, which helps to repair your skin, which helps to repair any kind of sun damage that is done to your skin. It also adds to the radiance on your skin. It brings an amazing youthful glow on your skin. And it also contains honey, which is a very hydrating and moisturizing ingredient. It makes your skin so soft, so supple, and so smooth. So the combination of these two ingredients is going to make your body skin really smooth and soft, and it's going to repair any kind of sun damage along with skin tanning. And the best part about this body wash is the fragrance of it. It has such a beautiful fresh fragrance to it, which makes me feel absolutely fresh and energetic in the morning. And it is such an amazing naturally indulging body wash. It's available on Mama Earth's website, and you can save some money by using my coupon code, that is
Riya 2021 for 20% off.
Or you can also shop it from Amazon, Nykaa, and Flipkart. So after using the body wash, you want to use a moisturizer all over your body to hydrate it. And here's a hack that you can do. You can add some vitamin C serum into your moisturizer, and that is something that I do every single day. So I apply vitamin C serum not just on my face but also on my body. This is the vitamin C serum that I have been using with my moisturizer all over my body. This is from Derma Co, and as you can see, I have already finished half the bottle. This helps to correct any kind of sun damage that happens on your body. It helps to reverse all of that. So when you step out in the sun doesn't just cause tanning on your body, but it also damages your skin in so many ways. Not just your face skin, but also your body skin. So it might cause premature aging of your body skin, which means that your skin will start looking a little older. It'll become a little wrinkled. It might look a little sagged. It might not feel as smooth and soft as it should feel. And it'll lose all the radiance and all of the glow. It'll become dull. So you want to reverse all of that sun damage by using a vitamin C serum on your body, and the best way to do that is to mix it with your body moisturizer. So by following these 4 steps, that is massaging curd on your body, using a vitamin C body wash, using a vitamin C serum, and a moisturizer on your body, it's going to help to remove and reverse all of the sun damage, all of the tanning that is caused on your body, and it's going to provide an amazing glow on your skin. And after all of this, the last and the final step is to protect your skin from any kind of further sun damage, from any further sun tanning. And you can do this by using a sunscreen. So you want to apply a sunscreen all over your body, or at least on all of the parts that are exposed. So right now, as you can see, I'm wearing a half sleeve top and this much part of my hand is exposed. So I'll make sure to apply sunscreen from at least my elbows to my palm to make sure that at least the exposed part is protected. I'll make sure to apply sunscreen on my face, my neck, and also on my feet because I'll be wearing chappals when I head out. So that part of my skin, that part of my body is exposed to the sun, and I don't want it to become tan, or I don't want that part of my body to have any kind of sun damage. And moreover, whenever you use vitamin C products on your face or on your body, they kind of make your skin a little sensitive to the sun. So it's always advised to use a sunscreen every single time that you are going to be exposed to the sun. So these are all of the ways that I follow to remove sun tanning from my body, to reverse sun damage, and to avoid any kind of future sun tanning and sun damage on my body. And these are the most basic steps that you can do. It barely requires any time to do these steps every single day, and trust me, you are going to be amazed with the results. Not just your sun tanning is going to go away, but your skin is also going to look more radiant, more glowing, more youthful. It's going to become very smooth, very soft, and very supple, and it's just going to look and feel younger for a really long period of time. So these steps are going to come really handy to you, not just in removing sun tanning, but in also improving your overall body skin. The links to purchase all of the products that I mentioned in today's video will be mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Also, in case if you're planning on shopping for these Mamaearth products, then I recommend you shop from their website, because every single time that you place an order on Mamaearth's website, they link your order to a tree that they planned, and they have this initiative going on where they are planning on planting more than 1 million trees by the end of 2025. So it's a very environment friendly brand. They're doing a lot for the environment, and their products contain a lot of natural ingredients, and they're free from harmful toxins like parabens, silicone, mineral oil, and all of that. So these kind of toxin chemicals that are used in other products are not just damaging for the skin, but they're also harmful for the environment as well, and that's the reason why Mamaearth does not use these kind of harmful chemicals in their products. You can also check out their entire range of body washes, which contains 4 other variants. The first one is this cocoa body wash, which contains coffee and cocoa. It smells so amazing, and my family absolutely loves using this every single day. Then there's this Uptan body wash with turmeric and saffron, and it's just going to give you an entire Uptan spa-like experience. Then we have tea tree body wash with tea tree and neem, and it's amazing for skin purification, especially if you have sensitive skin or acne on your body. And lastly, there's this charcoal body wash with charcoal and mint, and it's going to help in deeply cleansing all of the pores from your body, and it's going to make you feel very fresh and clean. They have some amazing body washes in their range, and I recommend you check them out. My favorite one is the vitamin C one, and that's what I've been using currently for my entire body. So yes, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. I shall see you in my next video.